How's it going, guys? Wokalak here. Welcome back to another unboxing video of a new product. This time we have Topps 2020 Allen Ginter X. Is a Montgomery Club member. I was able to secure one box. The limitation was one box per count, so I was able to do that. It got released a few days ago. I just got mine today, and this cost me about $100. It's got, I believe, 18 packs with 8 cards per pack. Yes, 18 packs and 8 cards per pack. A little bit about my honest review or opinion on this year's Allen Ginter. For comparison purpose, this is the regular Allen Ginter. I think design-wise, I still like the last year's design. The reason is that there's that white border there. I'm just not very into that. But hopefully, Allen Ginter, they add as you can see, they add a black border to it. Hopefully that looks better. It looks pretty good on the front of the box here, but I guess we'll see when I open this box. And speaking of Montgomery Club, I believe the membership, because every year you sign up for a 1-year membership. I think the membership sign up for this incoming year is coming up, because I remember last year it was around this time, October or November, when I get that email telling me I have a chance to sign up. So keep your radar up for that email. If you haven't signed up for Topps.com's news email, make sure you do, because they do notify people that way when it's time to sign up. And the sign up window I think it's only like 2 weeks or something like that. It's a short period of time, so make sure you catch that train, and so next year you can purchase all these product without going to eBay, and so it's definitely worth the membership. Anyways, so let's take a look at the box itself. Look for autograph cards. And like I mentioned before, we got 144 cards inside this box, so there's not much to it. There's no awesome information on the bottom of the box here, so we should open the box now. All right. Okay, so just like last year, all the packs are black too. I can't remember if the box was black last year. I think it was. I can't really remember, but so this is what all the packs look like. Like I said, 8 cards in this pack, and odds information here, and no purchase necessary information too. Cool. All right, let's open the first pack. Okay, the packaging is kind of falling apart here. All right, so as you can see, it's the background is black. I still have that white border there. So we got Dye. I think he's a stand-up comedian. Yep. Hudson. Dakota Hudson. Oh, we got this mini peeking out here. So we got Conforto. Cool. All right, Juice. I think he is the barber for, if I remember, baseball barber for Pittsburgh, I think. Oh no, Miami Marlins. So Trensky, nice. Javier Baez, and Dahl. I think design-wise, I think this looks better. than the regular Alan Ginter, I have to say. Braun, Gale, Darryl Strawberry, Buster Posey, and we got this. I still haven't done the regular one yet. Maybe tonight I'm gonna log on to Twitter and see what that is about. Got Kim Mini, and the rookie label is or logo is hiding in there. Very nice. Chris Bryan, Garrett Cole. Okay. Luzardo, Nyquist, Aquino, very nice. Rookie logo, very nice. Let's put this up. And let's look at the mini here. We have mini of Grace, Mark Grace. Springer, Nola, Koufax, Suarez. Yates, Seaver, and mini is Bieber, Shane Bieber. La Stella, Walker, Thomas, Thun, Nick Thun. That's how you say it. Okay, moving right along. Mazzara, Stargell, Austin Meadows, Smoltz, Casey, and we have Don Mattingly. Very nice. Ichiro, very nice. Segura. So far, no big hits yet. We will keep going. Azole, rookie. Where's my rookie pile? I don't have a rookie pile. Here, I'll put it down here. Conforto, Jackson, Juan Soto, Azuna, and McGrief. Alex Rodriguez, very nice. Put it up there. Ken Jung, funny guy. You guys know he's actually a doctor. Yes, being a doctor is not making enough money. Gregorius, Lindor, Lou Gehrig, Bellinger. Doing pretty good in the championship right now. Where should I put this here? Okay, Doby, Calhoun, Senegar. Alright. Oh, we got Will Smith on the bottom. Okay, we'll get to that. Harvey, Machado, Yamamoto. Yamamoto should be in the rookie pile. Story, Grace, flying car of Alfaro, Aaron, and Will Smith. Not too bad. Very nice. We have Clevenger with his hair down, looking very sexy there. Scherzer, Polanco, Clemente. See, the thing I don't like about, ooh, look at this, Chapman, 5 out of 5. Look at that. I was going to say that I don't like the fact that these minis are flying out like crazy, but as soon as I said that, I got a 5 out of 5 Chapman. Very nice. I really like him. He's a very good reliever. Very nice. Bernie Williams, this guy, Carabas. Don't know who that is. Stand-up comedian. Oh, baseball writer. Okay. All right. Benintendi, Kepler, Gleyber Torres. Very nice. Gleyber Torres. Schwarber, Bench, and Carton. Steve Carton. Nico Horner. Very nice. Brendan McKay. Tim Anderson. Dubon, rookie. Hemmels. Glavin. Torre. Aaron Judge. Very nice. Abbott. Carter Kieboom. Oh, this pack feels thick. Hopefully something good is coming up. Bananas. Johnny Bananas, reality show champion and host. Okay, Marte. Byrne. Muncie. Who's this? Buner. Sorry if I mispronounce your name. Luzardo, Mini, Toro, and Reynolds. So why is this pack feels thick? And I did notice that some cards, the shade of black is a little bit different. I don't know if you guys can see. This one is more of a matte black, and these two, they look more of a solid black. So, let me find out more about that. Are they variant? Do you guys know? If you guys know anything about this, let me know down below. I think that I remember Heritage a couple months ago, or the beginning of the year. You look at the shade, the color they use. If it's a little bit more shinier, then that means it's a variant of sort. I'm not sure. So if you guys know, let me know. Cruz, Chipper Jones, Huston, Altuve, McGriff, Ozzy Albi, Mini, Alonso. Very nice. So P. Alonso. So I got the P. Alonso X box, whatever it's called. They finally got to me. So I'll be doing, most likely the next video will be unboxing of that Alonso box there. So stay tuned for that. Wheeler. Alright. Martinez, Kikuchi, Ted Williams, Mookie Betts, doing very nice. Escobar, Mini is Simmons, Robles, Hosmer. Alright, we haven't hit anything big yet. Well, this one is, so far, is the biggest hit, 5 out of 5. So, hopefully we get something better. Harper, Dawson, Yelich, Nyquist, Mini, Larkin, and Verdugo, sorry. Okay, McNeil, King, Saniel, Bueller, Alu. Don't know too much about him. Simeon, Mini, Ryu, Hyunjin Ryu. Nice pitcher. we'll go back. All right, I think we got to the last 2 packs now. All right, no autograph. Okay, gangs. Don't know who that is. Who's he? Television personality. Gibson. LASIK. Okay, Fisk. Irvin. See, again, this card looks a little bit, you know, the black is a little bit different again, so nothing is different. I don't see anything, you know, different on the back. Maybe, don't know. Joey Votto, Mini, Eloy Jimenez, Merrifield. All right, last pack. Last pack. Is there anything good? Something thick in here. All right, Mike Trout. Very nice. I'm gonna put him right there. Nice. Gavin Lux, rookie. Very cool. Backwell. Oh, look at this. Frank Thomas. What the? Oh, here. Frank Thomas autograph. 4 out of 10. Nice. Nice, no low number there. Very nice. Very nice. All right. So I'm gonna put this right here. Hit of the box. I'm happy with that. Senegar, Mini, Pujols, Pence. Yep. All right. So just recap on some of the cards that I pull here. So the 2 biggest hit is Chapman, 5 out of 5 Mini, Brett Mini. Very happy about this one here. And then Frank Thomas, 4 out of 10 Mini too. So very nice, and autograph. Biggest hit there. So we got Gavin. Oh, we got a whole bunch of good rookies in this box here. We got Gavin Lux, Nico Hoerner, got Yamamoto here, Aquino, rookie, and rookie Mini wise we have Kim right there, Trout, Mookie Betts, Torres, Smith, Will Smith, Bellinger, Alex Rodriguez, and Ichiro. Well, that is 2020 Allen Ginter X. Personally, I'm design wise, I think I still think last year is better. You know, I really like the design of last year. I'm not digging that wide border frame, whatever you call it, there. But overall, I think definitely compared to the regular Allen Ginter, I like this much better. Because it gets, you know, the picture pops out a little bit more than compared to the regular Allen Ginter. So I really enjoy this product overall. I hope you enjoy watching me breaking the box. And if you do, please give me a like. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Until next time.